Okay, everybody, hello. This is early morning, so I'm about to go start working on the computer. It's almost 9 a.m., so I just went grocery shopping a little bit. Usually order online, but some stuff I just feel like it's better in store because. But I did speak to the store, and they said that they will try to improve certain things like the delivery. You know, sometimes they put the stuff on the floor and I don't like it, or sometimes like some items will be dusty or like out of like older when you buy online, but sometimes also online you find even better stuff. I started buying water during this Ramadan just because I don't know, I just feel like the water they have in bottles is usually like it kind of feels like you're adding minerals to the water, and it's very pure. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you now. I was gonna do a haul, but I didn't have time. And this is my little cupboard here. So basically this is how the room is right now. I decided to switch the yellow pillows from the living room and bring two here because it matches the yellow from the Rituals. So this is the Ritual set that I have now. I'm actually gonna go and order the body mist or the body spray because I love it. Last year I had this line. I also have the scrub. Where's the scrub, by the way? I'm gonna show you the scrub. The scrub is here. Oh, I can't even take it out, but actually I had the rice scrub, so from this line. Yeah, so this is the line. I got one from my mother as well. This is my newest perfume. This is my hair serum. I don't know if I like it that much. I actually tried it at my mom's house and loved it, but the one that I bought, she bought it in a cheaper store, and the one that I bought, I don't know, it doesn't smell as it's the smell that attracted me to buy it. So yeah, this is the conditioner. This one I got as a gift from Rituals. This one I got as a gift from Rituals. So it's a body cream. This is a deodorant. I don't know why I bought deodorant because I never use deodorant, because I just feel like. And yesterday this guy named Rich Fresh, he was doing a live about deodorant talking about how deodorant is filled with toxin and it actually blocks the sweating. I don't think all deodorants block sweating. I think some are like just to neutralize odors and stuff like that, and some are just antiseptic. This is my best item so far. I bought this one with the box for my mother, so I recommend everybody. I just didn't want to share this secret, but I have to share it with the whole world. So this will make your house just feel like, if you're stressed, like the reason why I started using perfumes, because I never use any type of perfume or fragrance or even body lotion that contain fragrance in my life, because I have like allergies to pollen, to flowers, so I was like no. But then when I started working a lot, and I don't know, one day I just felt like the fragrance kind of gives me some type of mood, like stress-free mood sometimes. And I'm not a stressed person, but I just felt like, okay, I think I watched a video on YouTube which inspired me to use fragrances. And also it's just like, it's very, how do I say, French style, and this is kind of my style. I'm kind of like, I have French style and very feminine, so I was like, yeah, let me just start buying one fragrance that led to another one, because this was my first one that I bought recently. I would buy like one perfume every 2 years or something like that before, or not even have any perfume, you know, because I just felt like I had this notion that only people who smell use perfume, something like that. And because I shower so much and I never sweat, I thought like I don't need perfume. But the perfume itself, actually no, it's not the first perfume I bought, sorry. I actually have the Kenzo perfume that I bought, and I would buy perfume like maybe once every year. I had the Juicy Couture. Yeah, I did have some perfume actually, but the problem was every time I bought a perfume, it was too sweet for me, So after spraying just like 2-3 times, I would feel like, ugh, like, you know, when you feel like disgusted by the smell. Yeah, so I was like, okay, I need something more fresh. I need to find more perfume. This one can get heavy, the Gucci one, but this one is very fresh. I think I like cedarwood, or what they call. Yeah, this one has a lot of good reviews, but I just feel like it's more like a winter perfume, this one, and night perfume. So I kind of switch. This is a little girly perfume, very girly, very like modern girl. Yeah, this one, La Vie est Belle. This one is really like, how do I say, it feels like a breeze of fresh air filled with flowers, something like that. Kind of like strawberry-ish. This is my favorite perfume of them all, the My Way perfume. So I think that's that. Maybe I'm gonna take you to the living room later, but I'm kind of like, I'll do maybe a house tour. I actually did a house tour before, but I never posted it. But I will. So yeah, that's my vlog. So we'll go, oh, what am I doing? So we'll go back here. So as usual, oh, everything is blurry right now. Maybe I'll cut the video. I don't know what happened. So yes, so this is basically how I decorated the house, the room. I got my River Island bag there, but I got my designer bag in the living room. Cause I feel like I have my makeup table in the living room, which is a bit strange. I got, you know, these are my, I like to put flowers everywhere, as you noticed. Yeah, that's my Sonos player that I haven't used for years. There it is, yeah. And I love wearing, as you notice in a lot of my videos, I have a lot of these, some with buttons, some without. So I have a lot of these dresses. Yeah. So that's my vlog for today. I'm gonna switch the camera and switch it up here. This is filming today. I'm not using my Gorilla Pod, so basically the makeup I did today is a very nude makeup. And it's, what's it called? Oh my god, it's snowing. And we're like in April. So I did, oh yeah, I found, those are the new foundations that I'm wearing. It's the Bobbi Brown. It's a bit too dark for me. The funny thing is they gave me samples and I used like color 14 in this one, the Armani. That's another one that I'm wearing. Let me just take it out and show it to you. Because this color, yeah, I used to think that I have a yellow base, but I actually have a neutral. So this is the color. Maybe it's too dark for me, I don't know, but, or maybe it's too instead. But I have a neutral base actually. So this one has no, so the funny thing is I was on the phone and then the girl, she was like, I think you should go for a neutral base, because no, she was like, the numbers, this is the number 9, and I thought, and she was like, the number 9, everything that's this 75 or 0.5 is like yellow, and everything that's like just normal is neutral. So this is the color. This one, the serum foundation, why did I buy that? I just found, I'm gonna do a foundation video where I talk about all the foundation from NARS to La Mer to what's it called, MAC. I've used that one, Maybelline, so people can know all of these foundations are good, but people can know what suits them. I just feel like right now I don't want the cakey look, and I feel like many foundations tend to be muddy and cakey, so I wanted something that's like sheer but covering but like non-drying, even though I use a moisturizer. And I didn't use the Fix though. I didn't use the MAC Fix today, but I can just spray a little bit on, or this is the MAC Fix, but maybe I'll just leave it like that. Yeah. So I'm using also, oh yeah, I have 2 samples of this Buxom Full On. That's what I use. I was buying the I've been very confused with the lipsticks. I want to use my lip pencil, but I can't really find the lip pencil right now. From my MAC. No, it's MAC. So the lip pencil, I'm gonna show you the lip pencil. I'm actually gonna go to the living room and show you the lip pencil. So I just have simple mascara on. My lashes have grown so much. So I actually, I use like some eyelash thingy. I do like my own little mixture that I put. It's all natural from the kitchen. And it has actually grown my lashes even more. I like natural stuff. And then I don't put makeup on my eyebrows, so I have the two foundations mixed. So my tip, if you can't find your foundation, just use like two foundations together. It will take time. Sometimes you can't find in stores. Sometimes the experts will find a good matching color for you. So let us go there. Let's go. But I need to hurry up. I'm gonna actually take my computer because I need to start working. So let us find, oh, there is the eye. This is the pencil. So let me just show you. This is how it looks like. This is my makeup table in my living room. Yeah. So if I just, let me just put the Gorilla Pod on. My Gorilla Pod. This is kind of like a vlog today. So now it's a bit better. Now you can see here. Yes. This is how I decorated. Like I put some candles here. I just love interior design. It's a bit dark today, so it's snowing right now. Poor little people that like thought that it was summer. I'm thinking, should I do the video in French as well? My hands are dry. I need to put my hand cream on. I even started using hand cream. Wow, so good. Then I put, yeah, so that's the, I'm not gonna put the lip gloss on. And I'll use a little bit. This is a Max Factor. You can use any mascara. I've tried so many mascaras. I have like tons of mascara. I like the Clarins one, but I can't find it now. But yeah, and I have bronzing powder on, which reminds me, I'm gonna go and buy my bronzing powder again. Today I'm using two bronzing powders. The MAC one is good, but I felt like the Isadora one is better. So this one is good. This is a bronzing powder. So this is the one. Oh, this is the one that I have. But I like this one better because it has like a rouge touch to it. You see, I get little brown cheeks with a reddish kind of like terracotta hue. Yeah, I didn't put any finishing powder. Maybe I'll do that today. Put some finishing powder. By the way, I woke up looking at my phone and I saw a video recommendation. My mom had actually talked about it. My mom is very conservative and everything, so it's fun when she talks about like YouTube and celebrities right now because she didn't do that before. But yeah, I saw like Naomi Campbell's house in Kenya. Wow, it just felt like a good vibe to the morning. Really nice. So yeah, so that's how I look right now. Okay, thank you so much. So I wish everybody Ramadan Kareem. And yeah, make sure you eat very healthy as well, so you keep the nutrients in the body. One of the main tips is not to just stock on fat once you break your fast, but actually this is something that I did that I didn't do well like years ago. I would just stock up on like fatty stuff, and it doesn't, like, fats disappear quickly from the body. So make sure you eat salads. Fruits, I'm not really sure, but salad actually makes you feel full longer. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.